Topic is quadratic formula. So before solving the apply the quadratic formula, you should know the general form of the quadratic equation. So I am telling you the general form of the quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if the question is this one, x square minus 10x plus 18 is equal to 0, and you have to solve this equation by using the quadratic formula. So first a is over here, a is equal to 1 because over coefficient of this is 1, b is equal to minus 10 and c is equal to 18, and the formula of the quadratic equation is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. There should be two answers, one with plus sign and one with minus sign. So now I am putting the values. Minus b is 10, so minus 10 plus minus b square minus 10 square minus 4, value of a is equal to 1 and the value of c is equal to 18 over value of a is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus minus plus 10 plus minus minus 10 square 100 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 18 is 72 over 2. So first of all I will write plus with plus sign, 10 plus minus 10 minus 72, 28 over 2. So there is no space over here, so I am rubbing the steps over on the top after the formula, and then you can understand it. So I am rubbing some steps. So x is equal to 10 plus minus 28. You can find the square root of 28, so answer should be in decimal form. So x is equal to 10 plus minus 5.912. This is not the exact answer, so I am writing 9 to 5.2. X is equal to 10 plus minus 28 over 2. So x is equal to 10 plus minus square root of 28 should be in the decimal form, 5.2915. This is not exact answer, so I am writing only 4 digits after the decimal point over 2. So x is equal to 10. There should be two answers, one with plus sign and one with minus sign. 10 plus 5.2915 over 2. So first of all you have to add 10 plus 5.29 by using the calculator, divided by 2, so answer will be 7.65. This is the answer with plus sign. So I am doing, there is no space over here, so I am rubbing the some steps over here, then you can understand how you will find with the answer with the minus sign. So x is equal to 10 minus 5.2915 over 2. So x is equal to, so 10 minus 5.2915 divided by 2, answer will be 2.35. So there should be two answers. So x is equal to 7.65 or x is equal to 2.35. There should be two answers. So that's it. So I hope you have understood the concept, and please subscribe to my channel and share it also.